Today I'm going to show you some of the Cricut and Silhouette files that I have turned into framed art. And by the way, all the files I'm showing you that I'm turning into this vinyl art can also be used on cards, in paper, or heat transfer. After cutting and weeding several art pieces for the wizard and witch bedroom, I laid out all the projects to place them in a frame. You'll notice there are a few projects that require layers like this one. I just used transfer paper to place the project in the center of a mat. I don't get stressed if there are bumps in the transfer paper because the goal is just to transfer the project. Once I pull the transfer paper and artwork off the liner, I place the artwork in the center of the frame. I pull off the transfer paper and voila, we have art. This file requires a second layer too, so I am going to use the transfer paper to add the next black vinyl layer to this piece. Don't worry if it gets a little bit off. If we wanted perfection, we would have just printed this whole thing. The beauty of this piece is that it is layered vinyl. I used transfer paper to create the rest of the framed art for the wizard and witch bedroom. I even cheated a little when I didn't have blue vinyl that I needed and layered the flying car with paper. Once everything is transferred, it's time to get everything framed. I love the way everything looks once it is framed. Finally, I hung all of this art on the wall and it looks pretty spectacular all together. I love mixing colors, sizes, and artwork to create a dynamic wall. I hope you have as much fun using these Cricut and Silhouette files. Be sure to share what you make by tagging at Carina Gardner Ink Club.